Hello?
Hi, how are you?
Where are you from, sir?
I'm from Bangladesh, and you?
Pardon, please?
I'm from Bangladesh, and you? Where are you from? Okay, are you sleeping?
Yes, I'm very tired today. Not feeling well.
Okay,
Not feeling well.
okay, I understand. What happened?
I've got fever.
Okay, fever, fever.
Yeah, fever.
Okay. So, okay, did you take any medicine for your fever?
Yeah, I take already paracetamol here.
Okay, is it working or not?
What?
I said your medicine is working or not? Okay,
Working.
okay,
It's
okay,
working, but still, no energy.
okay. So I can't see your full face. Why you hide up?
No, I was here. No,
Okay.
no,
So
I didn't hide out.
okay. So what's your name?
Glidal.
Glider. Maybe 2 months, not long time.
2 months.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you?
You are also live here or like or not?
Oh, I'm here just enjoying and talking with strangers like you.
Ah, okay.
So how
Yeah,
about
I
you?
see.
Okay. How about you?
Host here.
Okay. And you are earning from here?
Pardon, please.
I said, are you earning from here?
Yeah, yeah.
So can you tell me that how much you earn every month from here?
Yeah, I cannot hear your voice properly. I not yet get my salary here. I'm newly here, not maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
Okay.
Come 3 weeks.
Okay.
I get live here, then I will get an income here by sending beans through my viewers who like my live.
Okay. So can you tell me that what's your profession? What's your job?
My profession?
Yeah.
Before my job before is a call center agent.
Call center agent.
I work as yes. Finish contract.
Oh,
I already signed contract for 5 months.
okay. So, how old are you? How about your age?
I'm 26. How about
26.
you?
Only 26.
26.
I'm 30.
30?
Yeah.
Ah, you are not married?
No, I'm still unmarried. And you?
I'm not married, but I have a live-in partner.